All right, so here we're taking a look at this brand new hair dryer that I just picked up. It's a nice travel size, and as you can see here, it comes with a couple different attachments. And one of the cool things I really like about this is that it's magnetic. It literally just pops right on the front of it, and then you can go ahead and swap them out super easy, just like that, which is really nice. So you don't have to try and counterfeit them onto the hair dryer like other ones normally do. This one is super, super powerful. It's 160,000 RPM, so it's gonna be very, very strong. Let's go ahead and turn it on so you guys can hear how quiet it is as well. So that's gonna be on the first level, pretty strong, I would say. And then the second level, even stronger. So I majority use it on that second level. And as you can see here on the back, it's actually gonna show the degrees of the air as well, which is really nice because most of the time it's just like a small, medium, or high. But this actually tells you the exact degrees that the air is at. So you can go ahead and press down on this button, it's gonna change it. There you go, it just went up to 122. And then on the hottest setting, it's at 140. Now 160, and then it's slowly just gonna keep working its way up as it gets hotter, and you'll see it here increase. So if you don't wanna use it until it's at a specific temperature, then you can go ahead and wait it out, reaches that temperature that you want it at, and then go ahead and start using it. One of the really cool things about this is that I'm typically on the road and I always wanna bring a hair dryer with me, but most of them on the market, they're just a very large size. They take up a big amount of space, like in your backpack or your suitcases. So I wanted to get one that was very small. As you can see here, this one is super, super tiny. And the fact that it comes with this travel bag is also just a nice touch, so you can keep everything in one bag and then just go ahead and throw it in your backpack or your suitcase and you'll be ready to go. But one of the really cool things is that it actually comes with a universal adapter. So this is gonna work with all different types of countries out there. So if you're traveling internationally or domestically, this is gonna have you taken care of. And as some of you know, when you travel internationally, the voltage is gonna be different in different countries, but this actually has dual voltage control. So you don't have to actually set it. It's gonna be adaptive to the voltage that's actually being used in the location that you're at. So once you have it plugged in other countries, I've used a US plug hair dryer and it turned on super strong and it was super overpowerful compared to normal. And honestly, it probably would have blown the fuse if I didn't immediately take it out. So it definitely can be a fire hazard and just a injury hazard overall. So by having this international plug as well as the dual adaptive voltage on this hair dryer is just another great thing that I love that they included on this for it being a travel style hair dryer. Another cool thing on this is if you pop off the bottom, you're actually going to see a filter. This is gonna be where it filters out the air so it's not pushing out any type of dust into your face or anything like that. And then when it gets dirty, you can easily just take a brush and clean it off and then you will be all set. It's a super easy and simple design. It just has the one switch on the top for the speeds and then it has the bottom button down here that's gonna be for the temperature. And then as you saw here on the mirror, it's gonna show the LED screen, and that's really all there is to it. Again, the attachments are super easy to pop on and off, which I really like. And the diffuser is a pretty large size, as you can see compared to my face. It's a pretty big size diffuser for how small the device is. So if you're looking to pick up a new hair dryer, this is definitely gonna be a great option. I really like the fact of how slim and compact it is, so I can really bring it anywhere I want to, and I don't have to sacrifice on taking up too much space. So I'd highly recommend picking one of these up. I know you guys are gonna love it, and you're definitely gonna have a new hair dryer going forward that is gonna go everywhere that you go.